see the official with Santan and the red jacket? Yeah. That's kind of like what it looks like.